2016 Discovery 2. The Discovery 2 is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front, cruise control, side airbag, 4-wheel drive, security system, fog lights, power door locks, tachometer, sport package, outside temperature gauge, intermittent wipers, sunroof, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, tinted glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.